gonna get some tires for testing. So we had one testing a few weeks ago, and now the car's getting wrapped and we are getting some new parts for suspensions. So I'd like to try those out. Okay, almost alive. So this is Falken Tires warehouse. I don't know if you can see, but so many tires. Whoa! What the heck?
Hey.
Sorry, I'm gonna get my mask too. What's up, bro? Can I shoot you? All right. So my order came through?
Yeah, it's coming right now.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you.
First, sir, I need you to print in and sign.
Sure.
Make a copy of the signature. And the signature, yeah.
Here you go.
Is it autograph?
No, you don't need that.
Alright, this is your copy.
Cool.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hey, can you give me a little tour real quick? Might as well I'm here.
Really?
I'm
You
trying
want back there too?
to. No, just gonna talk about.
So this is our California warehouse. I think we have like 7 of these. It's a lot of rubbers. It's a little under 700,000 units that are stored here. Obviously, guys here picking up tires.
And by the way, this is Steve Wong from Falken Tire. He's been spotter for like last 4 seasons, 3 seasons.
Trying to be safe.
Okay, whatever. But unfortunately, he's too busy this year. He can't do spotter, but still gonna be my my manager for the Falken Tire, right, Steve?
Yeah, I think so.
All right. Oh,
We're still friends, right?
Oh, you never know, man. You tell me. Wow, seriously, a lot of tires.
Steve, you shouldn't be wearing shorts at work.
Give me the mask. Let's go.
You can have it.
Here you go. All right, get work done, guys. Just kidding, I'll do it. I'll do it. Thank you, guys.
Bye, good to see you.
Oh wow, that sounds so business-like, but yeah, really good seeing you guys. It's okay, I'll just jump here. All right, take care. Be safe. Picked up good amount of tires from Falken Tire, so we can do maybe a couple testing from those tires. I'm gonna go back to the shop and maybe mount all the tires to brand new Titan 7 wheels. Lots of Titan 7 TS5. I got my name on it too. Okay, so unbox all the wheels except a few sets for the front. A lot of wheels already. Man, the color is so nice. This gold is really cool. So now I'm gonna put these bulb stems into all these wheels so that we can mount the tire. I put all the valve springs. I just mounted 14 tires into TS5 wheels with a lot of tire mounting, but at least I didn't have to remove, so that was a lot easier. Usually I have to take the old tire out and then put the new one, so it's a lot more work. What's up, guys? So we are going testing today with my crew chief Chris.
I'm not testing. I'm just gonna watch and judge you on what you're doing or not doing.
What a dick. But yeah, whatever he says, I am testing. Come on, man, I thought this is team play.
It is. I'm gonna commentate.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you what you're doing wrong. That's helpful.
Alright, fair enough. Alright, so we are getting some food. Truck food. My favorite. McDonald's. Where's your burger, man?
Oh man, I couldn't eat no burger this early from McDonald's. That'll put me in the bathroom in a few minutes. We ain't got time for that.
I will go bathroom. So here we are at Willow Springs. We're gonna do testing. Mainly we're testing the new intake. So we actually tuned the car. It'll be pretty big difference lower end. And also we got the new wheels from Titan 7, and we got the new clutch from Competition Clutch, and we got the new livery. So a lot of new things, right, Chris?
Yep. We always like new things. Good, bad, or ugly.
So this is the new intake. I mean, we used this a few years ago and then we changed to something else, but we just got the overhaul from Wilson, so we got it back to the current setup.
That didn't make any sense.
Didn't?
No. You said you got it back to the current. You don't go back to the current. Current is the current.
I'm from Japan, right? So give me a break.
Basically what we got here is we used to run this manifold. It was having some issues. We sent it back to Wilson. They went back in, cut it up, cleaned it up, straightened it all back out for us, sent it back, and now we put it back on to see how it compares to the previous manifold that we've been using for the last 2 years, and that's where we're at with it.
Damn, you can talk, I guess.
Dude,
This guy.
like a schoolgirl.
It looks good. I love this look. So Michael Essa happened to be here as well, so we're gonna test together. And I guess he's doing some cool stuff first. Burning levers. What up? Yeah, man.
It's too small.
Like my.
It's crazy.
What a dick. So, how
so
are you?
small.
It is. So, how's testing going for you?
Good. Only did one set of tires so far.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, but yeah, first shakedown with all the changes, everything's good.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
So, I went too excited and went off the track. It was minor, kind of, right? But little rocks and sands and oh man, brand new livery got already dirty. Didn't last that long. So we're gonna have a little different type of practice today. We're gonna practice the start, the launching. These days a lot of drivers are really quick. It's like almost drag racing. So just wrapped up the testing. It went really good. You know, another good testing. But yeah, I guess I got a little moment. I went off the track. I don't usually do that there, but today for some reason I got really comfortable and then pushed it and went off the track, and it was kind of like
oh, you did more than push it. You backwards entry at the dirt. I mean, I didn't know we needed to keep all the panels off for off-roading, but hey, put me in, coach. I'll show
Come
you how
on,
to
man!
drive it.
I didn't hit the panels this time.
No. You just hit the whole bottom of the car,
Oh yeah, could be worse.
right?
Oh man, sorry, boss.
Nah, it's gonna be okay. I know a guy that can clean it up pretty good.